Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create a website on Wix for beauty and cosmetics business easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily in a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first of all, let's build with the Wix editor. So here enter your business type or your website type, beauty. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. Now just let's move on. So now enter your store name, type any name you want, and let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have one or not. And let's move on. What would you like to sell? Physical products and dropshipping products and services and digital products. What would you like to sell? Online store and my mobile app and marketplaces and social media and in person. So now continue to dashboard. So here design your site. How would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So let's get started. Now enter your information, your business name, your email, your address, and your phone. And if you wanna add the social link, so let's continue. Now pick a theme you like, for example this. Pick your favorite homepage design, for example this. And now add page to your site. And let's continue. Now wait a few seconds, preparing your homepage design. Now your site is up and running, so if you want to edit more your website, click here, go to editor. And so this is your homepage website. If you want to add elements, click here. So the first element you have here, the text element. So here you can edit the form or the shape of the text. Also the titles, you can edit the form of the titles and also the paragraphs. So let's move on to the image elements. Here you can upload image, you can import image. If you're looking for some free Wix image or free Wix illustrations, you can find them here. So let's move on to the buttons elements. So here you find the themed buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, and the documents buttons, and the iTunes button. And here we find the payments buttons. You have to add payments buttons on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the strip. Here you can add classic, featured, about, services, contact, and welcome, and testimonials and theme. So you can add anything of these section you want on your homepage as you like. So let's move on to the decorative. Here you find the shapes, the themed lines, the basic shapes, and the rows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. Also here we find vector art. If you want to add featured icons, animals, and nature, and logos, and badges, and characters. And the last here is the video section. If you want to add something like video box or video mask or transparent video. So that's it. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here you find the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So that's it. Now let's move on to the galleries. If you're looking for some recommended galleries, if you want to add pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries, or if you want to show more galleries. So that's it. Now let's move on to the menus and anchor. So here you can add the same menus. You can add horizontal menus or vertical menus. You can add something like in-page navigation on anchor and in-page menu, and here the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here you find you have all the forms you have to add on your home page. the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, the donation forms, the application forms, the feedback forms, and the request forms, and the waiver forms, and subscribe forms. So that's it. Now let's move on to the Google Maps. Here you find the normal maps and the full width maps, and here you find the chats, the Wix chats, and the line share button. So that's it. Now let's move on to the video and music. Here if you want to add something from the video elements like single video players or Wix video or video box or video mask or transparent video, or if you want to add something from the music elements like audio players or Wix music or SoundCloud player or Spotify player or iTunes button, or if you want to add something from the interactive elements like slideshows, the full width slideshows or the box slideshows, or if you want to add something from the light boxes, or if you want to add something from the overboxes, the tabs, and the last is the repeaters if you want to add something from the over repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the list. Here you find the repeaters and the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add something from the, if you want to add something like single video players, or if you want to add something from the audio section, or if you want to add something from the advanced section like marketing tools or the velotive mode, and the last here is the Lottie, the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add something from the social bars section, you can select any social bar here, and here you can add a Facebook link or Twitter link or Pinterest link or VK or line share link, or here if you want to add something like YouTube link like your channel or something. Payments, if you want to add payments buttons, if you want to add payments forms, and here if you want to add pricing plans from the pricing plan section. If you want to add something from the store section, here you find the CMS. If you want to easily manage your site content and use the CMS. If you want to manage your blog section, share expertise and engage with your audience. If you want to add something where we already have seen this. Now let's move to the bookings. Here if you want to add something from the booking elements, or from the related elements, or from the pricing plans. If you want to create and manage events, and here if you want to manage your community section, if you want to manage your design section. So that's it. Here if you want to add section, you can select any section of these and add it on your home page, easy and quick as you like, at any place you want. If you want to add page, click here. Here you can add page, click here, you can add any page you want. So let's move on now to the next. Here you find the site design. If you want to customize your site design, you can edit the color theme, the text theme, and the page background and the page transitions. You can add apps, you can manage your business. Here if you want to upload your media, if you want to edit images and videos, if you're looking for some free Wix images or free Wix videos, if you want to use the CMS, if you want to easily manage your site content, and the last here is marketing and SEO. If you want to easily manage your Google ads or Facebook ads or SEO or social media marketing or marketing integrations. So that's it. After you're done from designing your website, now all you have to do now is click here, publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.